Hi, Emily. It's Mark. How are you doing this afternoon?
Hi, Mark. I'm doing okay, thank you. I'm just finishing up some work from home. To be honest, I'm feeling a little bit tired from sitting in front of my computer all day.
I know exactly what you mean. I feel the same way. My legs are stiff and my eyes are tired from staring at the screen. That's actually why I'm calling you.
Oh, really? What's on your mind?
Well, I decided I need to get out of the house and get some fresh air. I am going to go for a walk to stretch my legs and clear my head. I was wondering if you would like to join me.
A walk? That sounds nice, but as I said, I'm feeling quite tired. I'm not sure if I have the energy for a long walk right now. My first thought was to just relax on the sofa.
I completely understand feeling tired, but sometimes a little bit of gentle exercise is actually the best thing for it. It can wake you up and give you more energy for the rest of the evening.
Do you really think so? I always think that when I'm tired, I need to rest. The idea of moving around seems like a lot of effort.
It seems that way, but a short walk isn't like running a marathon. It's just about moving your body a little. Plus, the weather outside is absolutely perfect. It's sunny, but not too hot, and there is a lovely cool breeze.
The weather is nice. I haven't even looked out the window in hours. A cool breeze does sound refreshing. How long of a walk are you thinking of?
I was thinking of a short one, maybe just 30 or 40 minutes. Nothing too intense, just a relaxed stroll to enjoy the afternoon and chat. It would be a nice break from work.
30 or 40 minutes? That doesn't sound too long. You are right. I probably should get some fresh air. It would be a healthier choice than the sofa. Okay, you have convinced me. I will join you.
That's great news. I am happy you decided to come. It will be much more enjoyable with some company. So, where should we go for our walk?
That's a good question. Do you have any places in mind?
I was thinking of the simple option. We could just go to the city park. It's close by for both of us, and the paths are nice and wide. There are always a lot of people and dogs there, so it feels lively.
The city park is a nice place, but it can be a little noisy and crowded sometimes, especially on a beautiful day like today. I was hoping for something a little more peaceful.
More peaceful? Okay, I'm open to other ideas. What were you thinking?
How about the trail that runs along the river? It's usually much quieter than the park. You can hear the sound of the water, and there are lots of trees. It feels more like being in nature.
The river trail. That's a fantastic idea. I haven't walked there in a long time. It is definitely more scenic than the park. Let's go there instead.
I'm so glad you like that idea. I think you will enjoy it. The city has done a great job of maintaining the path. It's very clean and easy to walk on.
That's good to hear. I remember it used to be a little bit rough in some places. Can you describe it for me again? What is it like now?
Of course, the main path is paved, so it's very smooth. It runs right alongside the riverbank. On one side, you have beautiful views of the water flowing by. On the other side, there is a line of tall, old trees that provide a lovely amount of shade.
That sounds really beautiful and relaxing. Is it a busy path? Will we see a lot of cyclists or runners?
There are some, but it is much less busy than the park. It's mostly just people going for a quiet stroll. The best part is the sound. You can hear the birds singing in the trees and the gentle sound of the river. It's very calming.
You have painted a very nice picture. I'm looking forward to it even more now. It sounds like the perfect place to escape from the computer screen for a while.
So we have our location decided, the river trail. Now we just need to set a time to go. Is now a good time for you?
Let me see. It's almost 4 o'clock right now. I just need to finish sending one last email, and then I have to change out of my work clothes.
Okay, no problem at all. Take your time. I also need to get ready. How much time do you think you will need? Should I come and get you in about 30 minutes?
30 minutes might be a little too soon for me. I don't want to feel rushed. Would it be okay if we made it a little later? An hour from now would be perfect.
An hour from now? That would be 5 o'clock. Yes, that works perfectly for me. That gives me plenty of time to get my shoes on and prepare.
Great. So let's agree on that. We will plan to start our walk at 5 o'clock. The sun will be a little lower in the sky then, so the light will be really beautiful by the river.
I agree. The late afternoon light is always the best. 5 o'clock it is.
Okay, so the plan is set for 5 o'clock. You mentioned the weather is nice, but what does the forecast say exactly? Should I bring a heavy jacket?
Let me check the weather app on my phone for the details. It says it is currently 19 degrees Celsius and sunny. There is a very low chance of rain.
19 degrees. That's a very pleasant temperature. It's not hot, but it's not cold either. It sounds like perfect walking weather.
It really is. The forecast for the next few hours says it will stay clear, but it might get a little cooler as the sun starts to set. Maybe it will drop to 16 or 17 degrees.
That's good to know. So I probably don't need my big winter jacket. I think I will just wear a comfortable long-sleeved shirt and maybe a light sweater or a thin jacket that I can take off if I get too warm.
That sounds like a smart choice. I will do the same. And of course, the most important thing is to wear comfortable shoes. We want to enjoy the walk without our feet hurting.
Absolutely. I will wear my best walking sneakers. Comfort is key.
We are making a very good plan. We have the place, the time, and we know what to wear. Now we just need to decide on a meeting point. How should we do this?
Well, the river trail is quite long. It has a few different entrances. We need to be specific about where we are going to meet, or we might miss each other.
That is a very important point. I was thinking of the entrance that is near the old bridge, at the north end of the trail. Do you know the one I mean?
Yes, I know exactly where that is. That's a good starting point. So, should we just meet at the sign that says River Trail Entrance?
We could do that. Or I have another idea. There is that small coffee shop, the Daily Grind, right across the street from that entrance. We could meet there.
Meeting at the coffee shop is a brilliant idea. It's a very clear and easy landmark. We can't miss it. And if one of us is a little early, we can wait inside.
My thoughts exactly. So, let's make that our official meeting spot. We will meet at the Daily Grind coffee shop at 5 o'clock.
Perfect. This plan is coming together so well. Is there anything we should bring with us on the walk?
I was just thinking about that. Since we will be walking for about 40 minutes, it might be a good idea to bring a bottle of water. It's always good to stay hydrated, even when the weather isn't very hot.
You are right. Bringing water is a must. I will fill up my reusable water bottle before I leave. Thank you for the reminder.
No problem. I was also thinking, should I bring my headphones? I could listen to some music or a podcast, but then I thought, maybe it's better to just enjoy the sounds of nature and our conversation.
I agree. Let's not bring headphones. It will be nice to talk and listen to the birds and the river. I was thinking of bringing my small camera, though. If the light is as beautiful as we think, I might want to take a few photos of the scenery.
That's a wonderful idea. You should definitely bring your camera. I would love to see the pictures you take. I will just bring my phone, but I'll keep it in my pocket. Okay, I think we have covered everything, but just to be sure, let's quickly review the entire plan one more time. It's always good to confirm.
I agree. A final confirmation is a great idea. So, you can start.
All right, the plan is to go for a walk on the river trail. We are going to meet today at exactly 5 o'clock in the evening.
Correct. And our specific meeting point is the coffee shop across from the north entrance of the trail, the one called the Daily Grind.
Exactly. We are both going to wear comfortable walking shoes and bring a light jacket or a sweater just in case it gets a little cool later on.
That's right. And for things to bring, I'm bringing my reusable water bottle and my camera. And you are bringing a bottle of water as well.
Perfect. And the walk itself will be a relaxed 30 to 40-minute stroll to enjoy the scenery and get some fresh air. Did I miss anything?
No, that's everything. The plan is crystal clear. It sounds wonderful.
I am really glad we planned this. I feel more energetic already, just thinking about getting out of the house. Thank you for agreeing to come with me, Emily.
Thank you for inviting me, Mark. It was a great idea. I was ready to have a lazy and unproductive evening, but now I have something lovely to look forward to.
It's always nice to have a little break in the day. A walk and a good conversation is the perfect combination. It will be a great way to transition from work time to evening time.
I couldn't agree more. I am going to go and send that last email right now so I can be ready. I'm genuinely looking forward to our walk.
Me too. It's going to be great. All right, I will let you get back to your work for a little bit. I will see you at 5 o'clock at the coffee shop.
See you at 5, Mark. Don't be late.
I won't. I'll be the one waiting for you. Bye for now.
Bye, Mark.